Hey friends, how y'all doing? It's Kimberly back with another video, and this time I'm going to do an unboxing. And this is for Owlcrate Jr. So I've never ordered their Owlcrate. I've had Owlcrate before, but I've never had just the Junior, and I thought this would be cute to try for my grandson. Maybe there's stuff in there for my grandkids. And it says caution may contain magic, so that's very cute. Let's see what they sent. Oh, is this not cute? Look, when you open it up, too cute, too cute, too cute. And this is the November box. Dragons. Let's get what's in here. Oh, the first one, Whipped Up Wonderful Jasmine Tea Dragon Bath Bomb. That smells really good. A bath bomb. And I'm just taking things off the top of the box here. We have a pretty keychain. Toothless. Very cute. And we have a cute little box. And on the back it says, never laugh at live dragons. That's cute. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, how cute. Look at this. Oh, what a beautiful mug. Little dragon. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see what else. Oh, it's a model kit. How cute. It says a 20 to 30 minute craft activity. This will be cute because my grandson really loves, he loves dinosaurs, but I'm sure dragons aren't that far off. Very cute. He'll like that. Let's see. Oh, what a beautiful bookmark. Beautiful bookmark. And the Night Silver Promise. Very cute. I haven't heard anything about this. And then on the back. So, it's our first Owlcrate Jr. Cute little book. I'm always reading YA. Middle grade's going to be a good change for me. And I figured that whatever items it comes with, like this, maybe the bath bomb, I don't know. The cup, anybody can actually use the cup, of course. Keychain, can never have too many keychains. But with everything that's in there, I mean, there's a lot of people that we should get a lot out of this box. And my goal is to read each book that I get the month I receive it. So since this one was November, it's already December because of a lot of stuff that's been happening in my life. I haven't been caught up. But starting January, I hope to read every book that I receive in a book box during that month so that I won't get too far behind. But anyway, this is the Owlcrate Jr. box. Very cute. I really appreciated all the items they sent us. Very cute, very cute. I say us because we got stuff for the whole family. The cup. And then they always put a card in there for the next month. And the theme of December is Secret Cities. Secret Cities. So I'm excited to see what that's going to be. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my first Owlcrate Jr. box. Hopefully, more unboxings to come. Thanks for being here. Bye.